that VBF file is a Visual Basic form, a piece of application interface design from the classic VB development era. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and work with this legacy form file. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like VBF. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. A VBF file is a Visual Basic form file associated with Visual Basic application development. It stores form layout definitions, control properties, and event handler code for VB application user interface screens. VBF files define the visual structure and behavior of windows and dialogs in Visual Basic projects. VBF files use a plain text format with Visual Basic's form definition syntax, listing control declarations with property assignments and event procedure stubs. The format is closely related to the standard VB FRM form file format and uses similar version headers and control attribute definitions. The VBF format is inextricably linked to the application Microsoft Visual Basic from Microsoft Corporation. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows may show the code clearly, yet proper execution requires compatible development tools. Your first step towards full access, right-click the VBF file and select Open With. If Microsoft Visual Basic is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If you are still having trouble opening the VBF file, do not worry. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here is a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, open with Visual Basic 6 IDE. VBF files can be opened in the Visual Basic 6 Integrated Development Environment. Open the VB6 IDE, navigate to File, Add File, and select the VBF file to add it to the current project. The form designer will load the interface layout and all associated control definitions. Next, view with a text editor. Since VBF files are plain text, open them with Notepad++, VS Code, or any code editor for direct inspection. The form control hierarchy, property settings, and event procedure stubs are fully readable as text. This is useful for reviewing form definitions or extracting code without the VB6 IDE. Finally, migrate to VisualStudio.net. To modernize VBF-based applications, use the Visual Basic Upgrade Wizard in VisualStudio.net to migrate legacy VB6 form files. The wizard can convert older form definitions to Windows Forms equivalents in VBNet, though manual adjustments may be required for complex form layouts. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.